1.5 years. So, what do you like about it?
Oh,
You like everything.
I like very delicious food, uh, very colorful food.
Always cares. Caring. Give you this ring. Can you repeat this word? I give you this ring as a token and pledge of our constant faith and abiding love. Okay. Please sit down. Okay. Yeah. So, Filipinos, we are very shy. Sometimes we don't say what we feel. We want you to guess it or to know it yourself. Yeah. But for you to have a good relationship, that's important. You need to talk with each other very well. Communicate. You let your partner know what you are feeling. Yeah? So, Erlin, baka ikaw si minsan, nahiya ka sabihin ko ano naramdaman mo, gusto mo hulaan ni Stas. Promise to? So, today, June 25, 2025, ngayong araw po, Unyo, 25, dito po sa munisipyo, here in the municipality, sa bisa ng kapangyarihan na ginagawad sa akin ng Republika ng Pilipinas at ng lokal na pamahalaan by the powers vested in me by the Republic of the Philippines and the local government of Ujongan. Pinapabatid ko po sa lahat na nandito. I hereby declare to all who are here na that Stanislav Viktorovic Shapovalov and Erlinda Zamora Sandoval ay ganap na po na mag-asawa, are now husband and wife. Please clap. That was easy, right? So fast.